in the first 5 weeks is we are eating the frog. What I mean by that. In his book, he says that do the most challenging stuff right up front. By tackling the big 5 topics up front, we are eating the frog. Because as I keep on telling you guys, weeks 6, 7, 8, up to even week 9 is going to be smooth sailing. It's easier stuff. I know it has been a little bit difficult for some of you tackling, lots and lots of lectures with the big 5 during the weekdays and then catching up with the homework assignment and everything. But there is a reason for doing it. Because once we have the big 5 behind us, we would have taken care of 50% of exam by weightage. Deal with the difficult topics, difficult concepts up front, and make note of them, right? Don't procrastinate and push off the difficult stuff for the end, and don't just try to operate within your comfort zone. Digital minimalism. So this was something that Cal Newport also mentioned, right? In the intense study session discussion that we had. If it had not been for technology and the apps and the tools that we have at our disposal that we are currently using, I would not be able to do what I am doing, and you wouldn't be able to learn from me if it was early 2000s, right? So all of these tools, all of these technologies, apps, they're amazing if they're used properly. Currently, one of the dilemmas that any knowledge worker encounters is the distractions. Visualize success. This is probably the borderline stuff that I don't agree with, right? You guys know this visualization of success, right? It was pretty famous on social media not so long ago. It probably still is. But the original fellow the writer, the author who actually brought it to masses, the name of the guy. The title of his book was pretty cheesy, Think and Grow Rich. Have you guys heard about it? Who wrote this book? Napoleon Hill. But the idea of this positive visualization and whatnot, he emphasized, the title of the book, look at it. Just think and you're going to grow rich. I've read this book a couple of times. Regular breaks and downtime. This is important. You're going to see that there's a theme that will develop over time. Cal Newport mentioned this, that take a break, right? Manage your energy. Don't get burned out. Burnout is a real thing, guys. It happens. I've had students literally send me emails that Wasim, I'm feeling burned out. I'm at the tail end of my preparation. Tell me, what can I do? And this is just part 1. Part 2 is PE power. So by the time you get done with this, your job is half done, right? I strongly recommend students to jump into PE power right away, which most of my students do. But in all honesty, if you have to sort of pace yourself, okay? That is very important. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On a weekly basis, I'm creating content for FE Electrical and PE Power exam preparation. I also discuss topics related to electrical engineering with a focus on power systems engineering. If you'd like to learn more about my FE Electrical and PE Power exam preparation programs, please visit my website, studyforfe.com.